Today's the side windows on the Transit Custom. Done the rear. That's a really good tint. Yeah, they fit really good from this company. That's the side windows there, left and right. You can see, looking out, similar to ones I've had before. You'd hardly know they're tinted, but from the outside, really good tint. So I'm going to do the driver's side there today, cut that out with a angle grinder at the top and bottom there, pilot hole, and use a metal nibbler going around. I'll do a separate video of that. It's a good bit of kit. And same on the side door here, which I'll probably do first. Use the U-trim. I use the smaller stuff on the back. I may use that on the side. Hopefully this is good and it sits flush enough. Use a disc cutter to take off this centre panel. You normally find they're glued behind as well, so I'll cut this top and bottom, do the other side as well, and then I can use the metal nibbler around the outer section there. That just broke off really easy. I was thinking I was going to go around there, cut in, but no, straight off. Anyway, so if you're doing a custom, that's easy to remove. It's okay. I think just that tiny bit of burr on the back of that, but yeah, that's back and here. Just remove these bits and then hole cut. I then use a 13mm, just slightly away from the edge. As you start, you can go around. Gives a really neat finish. Obviously you get a few high spots there and the initial hole there. What I do is just file them, file a few bits down, and then you get a pretty much perfect edge to put your U-trim on. That's it. Couple of high spots off. What I do then is I go around, treat these bare metal edges, and where your glue is going to go on the glass, completely clean up the area before you use the primer. same on the glass. That's the bare metal, exposed metal treated. I'm going to go around with the U-trim. I've just offered up the window. There's quite a bit of space to play with until it's completely flush, so I think this U-trim will do. Just go around with this, just tap it home, push it as flat as you can to the hole here. I'll offer the window up again and it's all good. Some trim on, and what I do is I push across there to get it as flush as possible. Same as the back windows, the edges there have got to be cleaned, spotless, and the outside edge of the glass cleaned, and then about an inch in we'll put the primer all the way around. And the sign on the glass. The mastic on. That is a lot easier if it's warmed prior to pouring it on. That was pretty quick. Okay, on. Really cracking bit of kit, that. Totally flush all the way around. Well happy. Yeah. Weirdly, the side windows were easier to do than the back. Just need to push that top corner in a bit. Hang on, get the tape down, the suckers off, just check it every now and again. Make sure it's not going to drop. I think it's okay. Okay, that's the whole cut ready. Just a couple of minutes on the file, just a couple of little high spots. Take it off, save the U-trim being raised. Same again, treat the metal, go around with the cleaner, clean the body, clean the glass, T-trim, glass on. The glass that's going in is 120, obviously from here, so I'm marking with a dry wipe, just one of these dry wipe markers where the back of the glass here will sit, so I know where to put the primer. That's the U-trim on and pushed into the body as tight as I can get it. Keeps the glass flush on the outside. When that's there, if it needs pushing back on the inside, that can be easily done. All done. Really happy with that. It's a cracking fit. Exact gaps all over. And this, that's excellent. I don't need to put any sort of trim there or nothing. Just finishes off really good. If any, I think they fit better than the rear, these windows. I thought the rear were good, but these are just absolutely perfect. That's it. Windows fitted. excellent fit. I'm really happy with them. I can crack on and get the carpets in finish now.